Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to see the most popular videos on a TikTok account. So for example, we want to see the most popular TikToks of Zach King. As you see, I'm now on the TikTok account of Zach King, and yeah, one way I can see the most popular TikToks of this account is by going to the pinned videos. Usually the most viewed TikToks, most popular TikToks are pinned. As you see, this one 2.2 billion. But now TikTok released a function or a feature in which you can filter on most popular, most watched TikToks very easily, just within a few clicks. So basically you need to tap on those, on this post post text, so post 411, tap on that, and here you can filter on latest or popular. So tap on popular, and as you see now when I tap on it, for some reason it isn't working smoothly. Tap on popular right now. As you see, 2.2 billion, 200. As you see now, it's filtered on most popular. So these are the TikToks that get the most views currently, that are the most popular right now, as you can see. So it's really nice. So if you want, good quality TikToks, usually when you filter on popular, you get the best TikToks of Zach King in this case. So I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to the channel if this was the case, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.